Hey guys, so I'm coming to you with another beauty video. I winged this look in this video. I had no idea what I was doing. I did know that I wanted to try out the Juvia's Place palette eyeshadow color that I saw, and so I was like, let's create something around that eyeshadow, the lid color, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Mwah. Hey guys, let's jump right into this video. So as you can see, I am color correcting under my eyes before I go in with my matte primer, and this primer actually keeps me matte all day, so I'm not mad at it at all because I am extremely oily. Now I'm going in to give myself just a little glow, glow up a little bit, and I'm going to prime my eyes, and this is prepping me for my eyeshadow, and I'm using this concealer for my base, and I'm going in with my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm picking up that brown shade and I'm putting it right in the crease and transition area. Also going in with this yellow shade, and I'm just going to place that right on top of the brown. I was feeling yellow today. I really wasn't sure what I was going to do, but I saw this beautiful color in one of my Juvia's Place that one right there actually, and I was like, you know what, let's see what I can do with this eyeshadow. And so we began plotting and planning on how this look was going to come about. And so I'm just packing that on and then going in with my, well, I was going to use my lashes, but I decided to go in, and so I just decided to just go ahead and go in and color correct. I'm not color correct. Oh my goodness, Krystal, get your life together. Highlight. Ugh. So I'm going in with this CoverGirl True Blend foundation, and when I say this foundation is amazing, I'm going to do a review on it as well. I know it's kind of late for it, but it's new to me, so I want to give my 2 cents on it too, and so I'll have that coming up soon. And also I'm going to go in with my Fit Me powder, and this is also fairly new to me as well, and so far so good. I can't complain at all. It does the job. It's not as good as my Black Radiance Soft Focus powder that I normally use, but I mean, when you're trying stuff, you're taking chances, you know what I mean? But like I said, it's pretty good. It's not too bad. Now I'm just going to go in and cream contour with my MAC. I think this is NW55, because I wanted something with a red undertone and not so much of a gray or a very dark undertone, because for me it looks very muddy and don't nobody have time for all that. Now I'm just going to go in with my favorite powder of all times, and I am featuring this powder in my August favorites video. Hint, hint. Can't tell you all the goodies that I'm having in that video, but you will see it fairly soon. Hopefully I have it uploaded and ready. And I'm just going to go in with my highlight. I'm going to contour my nose lightly with my e.l.f. Contour bronzer palette thingamajig, and I'll have all the products listed down below for you guys, so don't worry about that. And now I'm just going in with some brown liner and just lining my waterline. Black looks really harsh on me, and for an everyday look I just kind of want to use brown. Putting some mascara on my bottom lashes, and that's pretty much it, you guys. And just taking a shade and just smoking out that bottom lid. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Love you lots. Mwah. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to give your girl a like, thumbs up this video, same as a like, you know what I'm saying? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell next to it, so you can be current and up to date when I do upload a video. You will be the first to know. Alright. Anyways guys, thank you so much. I can't wait to see you in my future video. Until next time, bye.